Martha from Copperfield has a question about window noise.
Well, she was impacted by Harvey, Tom, and Martha writes, we're now back in our house, but the good windows are still in place. They felt like they had good ones, but instead of curtains, they now have blinds. And as a result, our issue, she writes, is outside noise and traffic and people and rain, they can hear it all. And she's wondering, could it just be the windows need curtains, or is there some other solution? What say you?
Well, there's no doubt, even in a sound studio, you put fabric up, it absorbs sound, right?
Yes, we do.
So draperies is going to make it a quieter window than blinds. Blinds a hard surface. And so the only way to really quiet it down with a window is to replace the windows with more efficient, upgraded frames and whatnot of the window, but you'll never stop all the noise. But draperies is a way to stop sound, and it works well. It's just not in vogue anymore.
Now, when she says good windows, we don't know what that means. And
that's right.
And you're saying if she were to go look at replacement windows for that, that might have some sound dampening quality to it.
Well, if she was going to call Gulf Coast Windows,
right,
and her issue is noise, that's what you bring up to the salesperson.
Okay.
And so they can cover that issue, because that's one of the advantages of the new windows today. It's not just buy a new window, but you want to buy one that's going to solve a problem, and that's the problem.
Got it.
Like we say, Gulf Coast has a window for everybody.
It does. And like if her problem was, hurricanes on the Gulf, they have a window for that.
That's right.
All right. Got a question? We can help you out just like that. We'll open a window unto the knowledge you're seeking. All you need to do is throw a rock with a question tied to it through HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form.
Don't encourage him to throw stuff through your windows. You end up with a rock on the floor over there.
With a question.
With a question tied to it.
Ding.